pretty much just have to do these 5 easy steps. Pop my axle nut, take off the brake caliper, pop the top and bottom ball joints off, hammer out my old ball joint from the spindle, and hammer in a new one, and put it all back together. That's so much. Okay, so this is a lot of dirt. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm going 1/2 inch to 3/8, back to 1/2 inch. And something's probably about to break. I don't think it's got that much torque on it though.
Probably will break your adapter, your swivel. That's the weak link there.
Yeah, that's why I started looking out just in case. Never know when something's gonna try to eat your eyeball out. Oh yeah, I forgot. The tie rod has to pop off too.
Alright.
Pretty much what's gonna happen here is this tool right here, this fork, it's gonna stick up in between here, like so. And then I'm gonna stick a tube like that over it and just force a lot of weight down on it. It should pop right off. Same goes for bottom ball joint right there and the outer tie rod. That seemed a little bit too easy. Torqued everything down, tie rod, upper and lower ball joints, brake caliper. Yeah, I'm just going to lower it down and torque down my wheel and my axle. Alright guys, that looks like it's it for this vlog. That actually went a lot smoother than I thought it would, because I've done it before on the same side and it was a total bitch. Remember, it did not go as smooth as it just did. But yeah, it wasn't really much, I don't know, I do these videos where it's kind of a tutorial, but it's more of just a flat out installation video. It's not really an in-depth tutorial, you know, so I don't know. I just post little updates of things I do to my car, or try to. Also, I apologize for not uploading as much as I usually do. The last video I uploaded was about 2 months ago, and I usually upload at least once a week or so, or I used to try to. I guess I just needed a little break, but I am back somewhat. I have a lot of videos that have accumulated that I need to edit and post and stuff, so expect those. I've just been a little busy focusing on other stuff that is more important than talking to a camera, I guess. Like messing with this fat old bitch. Yeah,
Got the whole intake manifold off. I had to take so much stuff apart just to get to the valve covers because I had my valve cover gaskets started blowing out on me and started losing a bunch of oil. I could get really in depth on what I'm doing with this car. I'm messing with the transmission, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, intake gaskets, probably more stuff I'm forgetting. So yeah, I've just been really busy working on other things, working on Obesi. I've even been working on the tag a lot, just little stupid stuff that's just annoying. I definitely don't feel like vlogging, you know, everything I'm doing with the van, because that's way too much sauce over there. Yeah, I'm doing stuff. I'm gonna try to start vlogging more. Stay tuned for more content. Peace.